Astro cat bonus. Touch it. Yeah, lock wild. 450, bitch. Free game.
Oh, wait, no, this is plus 1 wild, sorry. Oh, that's a big
Nice. Lock cat. Yeah, it says up there. Nice. Fuck yeah. Pussy's going wild. Nice. Another one. Side 25. June. Too bad the music isn't that loud. Too bad the music is so quiet on the sucker. Do another 5-eye sucker. Another. Yes. Why didn't you fly by that time? Fill that shit up, you bitch. Yes, 2 more. Did we get 2 more or 1 more? 1 more.
That was the last one.
Oh. Yes. We're gonna fill that fucker up. We're gonna get the real fact up. Yes, there it is. Doesn't count. Yes, there it is. We're getting it. Nice, it's going up. Oh my god, we're gonna get the real facta. We're gonna get the real facta. Yes! Oh my god, it's gonna do something huge! Look at this shit, it's vibrating reels. Oh my god, pussy gone wild. Oh, that's the most vibrating pussy I ever felt. Bye bye. Yeah, oh my god! Get it! My wife is, I'm gonna retire! Plus we get more. He can fill this whole motherfucker up. It's gonna be epic. It doesn't say how many. I think if you keep getting them, you keep going. Do it! Yes! I know. Oh my god, fill that shit in! Yes, it's doing it! It's doing it! Yes! We got the real motherfucking facta. Oh, epic! Oh my god. Keep going. Fill that shit in. I conquered the slot thing. We won this slot. They should just give it to us. Making it rain with rain. Dude. Might as well name this place after me now.
I think shit's gonna feed people.
Nice. Oh my god. Oh, that's a, what the fuck? Bullshit. No, keep going. That's amazing. That's great.